how does ICT provide green points? It doesn't provide green points directly. It enables your intelligent lighting system. It enables, it is an enabler. In actual fact, some of the prominent ICT companies, one of them being Cisco, has now mapped against LEED and BREEAM the amount of points that ICT enables, and it's up to 42. ICT can enable 42 points in a green building. That is not insignificant. When we looked at, you need 45 for a 4-star. That is not insignificant. But as Jason correctly said, the Green Star doesn't tell you how to. It just gives you the minimum requirements. I think green points or Green Star rating does encourage the use of the whole building infrastructure approach.
Technology alone will not do it. If you look at international, all over, I personally came across many of these instances as well. Technology alone can't even lose out. By putting in more efficient technology, you can actually save less. Now, everybody will say, how is that possible? Simple example is that you put in much more efficient lighting technology. People are so stuffed, or so excited about this new super efficient lighting system that they have, and they leave it on 24 hours because just to show everybody. Because while these things are burning, I'm saving. In the end, it's the end users, operators, customers that cause energy use, wastage, and savings. I think that's an important thing that we need to realize in terms of the whole process. So what is needed? We need to make energy more visible. Problem is we do not understand energy. We can't see it, feel it, hear it. If I put my finger in the plug, I know there's something going on. But for the general person out here to relate which of the appliances uses the most energy, we have air blowing into this room. We don't relate of how much energy goes on behind the scenes to it. That is the issue. So people don't relate what their actions are causing, so they don't know. And those are the kind of things that's coming in.